Today, websites have become the most dominant way of reaching out to clients and for doing many other cool stuff. The greatest advantage of websites is their accessibility. Everybody can access it on any device, anywhere, and at any time. All it needs is just an active internet connection. During the last decades, websites have become a must-have for every business. This has caused an increase in the demand for websites. Many companies are striving to establish an online presence. So you can take this advantage of this and learn web development and web designing in order to satisfy this demand and make some cash out of it. So today I will show you how to design and publish a website in less than 30 minutes. We will be creating a sample shop, a small shop with 4 products or 5. With 4 or 5 products, we're going to be posting our courses as the products of the shop. With Google Sites, we are going to use Google Sites. So you can also do a lot of things with these Google Sites, but we are just going to do just a small shop today, and we are going to do more when we are going to start the full course. So to point out something clear, I want to let you know that there's a difference between our web designing course and our web development course. The web designing course focuses on no code tools. That means building a website in shorter time without writing any code. But the web development course is the coding part where you are going to create those who will sign up, enroll for the web development. They are going to be creating websites with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, all the stuff. But we are going to create us here in the web designing side. We are going to be creating websites without writing any code. We will create it fully from scratch without writing any code. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to create a sample shop, as I said earlier, with using Google Sites. So we could rapidly just go and use Chrome, but actually Chrome has a problem. I don't know why Chrome has this particular problem with the app, with the type of software, with the type of website we are going to use. So what we are going to use is go to Play Store and search for Firefox. So we are going to use Firefox browser. For those of you who don't know Firefox, this was one of the biggest browsers back then before Chrome came. And yeah, Chrome took over the market and many people don't even know about Firefox again, but we have it now on our smartphones and it's so advanced. So I already installed the app, and so what I have to do is I just need to tap on the open button. So it's going to open the button for the app for us. So what we will search now is we have to search for, just type in Google Sites. Google Sites. So from there, choose the first thing that pops up on it at the top. Open the link. So they're going to tell you that to create or edit a site, go to Google Sites on your desktop, which means that you cannot do it legally on your smartphone. But guess what? There's a way of going around this. Due to the latest update to browsers on smartphones, browsers have the ability to mimic a computer. That means they're able to mimic and make the website feel as if it's being run from a computer. So this is what you'll do. Click on the 3 dots at the bottom right of your screen. Scroll down and turn on desktop sites. So this is going to work now. So you see the website is going to open, but it's going to be as if it's on the computer. The website is now thinking, oh, I'm being run from a computer, but it's just a browser rendering it as if it were a computer. So if you look at the home screen, you're going to see a lot of recent sites here. Those are my websites that I'm hosting. If you count, there are about 15 of them that I'm hosting. So I don't even know I'm hosting 15 websites, but that's so many. I just create all the time because it's so easy to create. From there, this is what you do. You're not going to have this because probably you haven't yet created any website before. But you can choose from templates. We have templates here. We have for project, portfolio. You want to create an event, website for an event, and you can open a template gallery and see much more different there are the different templates that are there. There are so many templates for events, for work, for small businesses, for dog walker, education, and so many others. But we are not going to be using any template in this course. We are going to create something from scratch to make it very simple and easy to understand. So what I want you to tap is click on the plus button here, labeled blank. So let's create a blank website by clicking on that. Going to load and open. So as soon as you finish loading, you are going to see this on your screen. On the right side, you have the toolbar where you add elements or to insert stuff into the website. You can go to open the pages, manage the pages, the delete pages, or create new pages, and you have some other themes that are on there. So what we are going to do is, on the left hand side, we have the website, actual website that we are building. So the first thing that we will do is we are going to change the title of the site. Tap on the enter site name and enter the name of the site. We are going to create the name of the site is going to be Damn Bro. I don't know why I'm using that title. It can be whatever you want to create, but I'm going to use this. So after clicking outside, you see the name of the file too. The name of the site that is loaded in your website is also going to change to the title of the site. So this is the header of your page. This is the header of your page. What you can do is click on the header, scrolling, and you can choose the header type. It can be just text only without any banner behind, with a banner, or with a very large banner, and just cover. Of course, it looks like it's a bit too big, but that's because of this panel over here that's quashing it in, so it's making it a bit smaller and squeezed. But if you host it, it's not going to publish your website, it's not going to look this long. So, but actually, we're not going to use that. This is what we are going to use. We are going to use just a small banner, just a banner icon, the banner. So we click on the banner, we click outside, up, select the banner again, choose change image. You can either upload an image or select an image from the already predefined images that are found in Google Sites. So this is the gallery. You scroll down, you see different samples of images that are found, but we are not going to be using any of these, so we are going to be uploading our own. So click on cancel. From here, click on choose image again, upload, click on upload, documents. I'm going to choose documents. That's the app I want to open. Click outside, scroll down. Yeah, we're going to be using a web designing logo flyer for Digifluent Academy. So we're scrolling again. So if you look at it, look at this down here. This is an indication that this banner has been altered by artificial intelligence to make it look readable. That means it's reducing the brightness of the banner and making it such a way that you're able to see that this title written in front, your page title. So for that, we don't need the page title because we already have text in the background. We cannot put text on top of text. It looks awkward. So we click on the page title and click on the trash can. But the image is still a bit dark. So to increase the brightness back, go to the AI, these 3 stars here. Click on it and it's going to disable it. After disabling, you see that the banner is now going to have its full color, no blur again. So the next step that we are going to follow is we are going to add some title. We are going to add a title like what are we offering or what do we offer. Then give some descriptions there. So what we'll do is, let's zoom in, click on text box. So this is going to add a text box to the website immediately after the banner. So click on the text box, type in the text you want to type. Let's say you want to write what's happening? Why display your document? Let's reload the page back. So let's reload. It's reloading. So no worries, no qualms, everything is there, everything is fine. So we click on the text we just added and try to modify it. Click on the pencil icon and try typing in what you want to type. You're going to type a question. What do we offer? Add a question mark. From there now, I want to make it to be a header, so I'll choose it. Select the text by clicking on it. Click the pencil icon, and then click where you see normal text and change. You can change it to a title, but I don't want it to be a title. I want it to be something like a heading. So you're going to change it to a heading, and that looks better. You can change the font type here. You can change the fonts to whatever you want. So that's how you're going to be using. You can change the font size. Oh, sorry. You can make it bold, italic, and even things like change the font size and things like that. So the next thing we are going to be doing is that we are going to add some text box, another text box that will actually answer the question. So yeah, you first click on this section and click on the text box icon. In the text box icon now, what we are going to, in the text box we just added, we are going to answer the question. So to answer the question, I could just normally type in what I want to type, but as you can guess, I have some already created text that I have in my WhatsApp. So let me just put it from my keyboard. Let me go to my clipboard and choose this text. It's already added. So that is the text I want to put in my page. So what do we offer? All the description. This is text I just copied, plain text I just copied from WhatsApp. I pasted into the page. I pasted into the website and it's there. So let's scroll down. From here, the next thing I want to add is a section. So this is just a normal text, so don't worry, just normal text I just copied and pasted. Yeah. So I want to add another section under this that is going to show the different products that are there, and I want to showcase 4 of them. So click on this to add a section with 4 different images. So click on the plus icon. This is just like a small theme. It's like a theme, something like a section with that was going to have an image and description, image and description, image and description, and things like that. So I will click on the plus icon for the first one. Choose upload. Let's go to documents. Upload the first course that we are going to be offering. We are going to choose graphic design. I know actually I'm just using it as an example. It must be exactly what we are planning to do. We're just going to choose graphic design and click. You see it has cropped the image on the site. So that's a problem. It has cropped the image to make it have that particular shape of that box. So to avoid that, click on the same image and click on this icon. You're going to expand the image to have the exact dimension. You're going to make it to have the exact dimension of the original image that we added there. So click on the title, click here and edit something. So click the pencil now and type in what you want to type. So here I'm going to type in graphics design. This is just a sample graphic designing, or let's just say graphic design. So I'll add the next one. Go ahead and do the same thing for the others. Click on the plus icon. Click on the plus icon and choose upload for my documents. We have web development. Web development. So I guess it was added. Oh, this is the live website. Sorry, let's go back to where we are working on. So this is where we were. What? Sorry, let me get back to where we were and come back. Sorry, I had to go through the process of coming back to the way we were. So I don't actually know why it closed, but we are back in the browser. So I apologize for that. So to add the next picture, to add the next image, click on the plus icon. Choose upload. Documents. And then select the image you want to upload. I'm going to upload web development. So to also fit it back to the same size, just click on this. It's going to expand it. Yeah, really, that doesn't really matter. I was thinking of, but that's not bad. Click here, click on the pencil, and change the text to web development. So let's just continue with others. Upload documents. Tips, tech tips and tricks. So there you go. So these four are kind of like the other courses that we offer at Digifluent Academy. Apart from web designing, we have graphic designing, web development, app development, tech tips and tricks. So you sign up for one of the courses and you're going to pay your fee. This is the fee. It's not that much. You have 2 weeks intensive, 2 weeks intensive work, 5 days every week, and after that you're still going to have follow up for some time again, and we're going to add you to the graduate group where you can collaborate with other people on your same field and continuously like that and like that. So this is a small sample website that we are making. We're not going to go to too much details, but what we are going to do next is I'm going to show you how to publish the website. So to publish it, simply come to the top right hand corner and click on the publish button. Oh, sorry. Click on publish. Why is it doing that? Let's do it again. Oh, okay. Damn Pro. I don't want any hyphen in the middle. That's a custom domain. That's the domain name of the website. That's this is the way it's going to look like, the way you see down here. That's a custom domain. That's the reason why you see sites.google.com in front. But it's not a full domain like danpro.com. No, it's a sub. It's a free subdomain. That's why we are using this one. So if you have a custom domain, you can click on the custom domain button and add your custom domain to the site. So but that's going to be with time. So let's publish it by clicking on the publish button. So right now the site is publishing and it's already live. So we can view the live website. You can just scroll down, tap on the small drop down arrow and click on view published sites. After clicking on view published site, this is the website we already published. This is the website we published. So if you like, if you're watching the course now, you can just pause the course and try opening this domain that you see down here, and try opening this web address, and you'll see this website live. Let's just close everything and look at it from somewhere else. Just close. Let's go to Chrome. I didn't use Chrome for the designing because Chrome actually has an issue. You're not going to be using Chrome. So let's tap on the site now. So this is how you open your domain. Open google.com /view/ the name of your site. You say damned pro /home, and this is the website. Let's turn it back to normal mobile view. So this is the website. It's fully live. You can access it wherever you are on the globe. So this is a small website we just created now, and anybody can visit and see the contents on the website. I have a couple of websites that I created. Let's just see some of my websites that I created. Let's visit. Let's copy this text, paste it here, and just change the domain name. I created a website for Bright Corporation. So let's hit enter and see what it looks like. Yeah, this is a fully functional website that people have been using. It features mini pages and even sub pages. So you can see it has a footer, it has a header, it has a logo, and it has all the features that a normal website should have. Viewers can visit it and contact message you directly from the website. Even added some cool stuff here. So that is one of the websites I designed, and guess what? It didn't take me up to 5 hours to do this website. I took just about 4 hours to create it. So let me show you another one again that I did with the Google sites. So we're still going to be pasting that again. Oh, sorry. Let's open my clipboard, paste it there, and change the name. Let's see, there's one that I created for file sales. That's kind of funny, but I did create a website for selling files. My uncle was selling files, so I had to create a website where I can link people to. They can see the different files that we have. They see the location where we are, and they can contact us or even leave their contact for us to contact them. So this was a huge deal at the time I created it. So that was around December when file stories were going up and down. Yeah, so this is a website that I created to sell files, and there are so many other that I created. Let me just show you one again. The one I'm still building for myself. So you just write my name, Kum Ranzi, and open it. So as you can see, this is my professional portfolio, where you visit and you're able to see information about the type of things that I offer. I offer graphics designing, high definition logos, architectural conception, advertisements, web designing, blog, content download pages, product sales, and so many other things. I'm still going to add them. So that's my personal portfolio, and you can see this is me with my heritage. So yeah, basically you've seen how to create a website in under 30 minutes. I guess this video is under 30 minutes. Yeah, under 30 minutes, and it's live, and many people can visit it from anywhere. You can just tap on it and share the link with your friends. Let's go back and So you can just tap on it and share the link with your friends on WhatsApp and anywhere. You can just go back, open WhatsApp. So I share the link with friends. Listen to Najibu. This is the link. So you see, it's even going to show a pop-up, a preview on the screen of what is the content that is found on the page, on the website. You can send to your friends and they'll be able to just tap on it and they visit your site at just one click. They see all the information that you created, as simple as that. So that's how you create a website from scratch using Google Sites. So that's just a taste of what we offer. We are going to show it more in depth, step by step, and very well organized in such a way that you understand, and with full follow up in the Digifluent Master Training. So meet you there. Thanks for watching.